Tired hearing all the speeches of the candidates who came before me. But here's a simple question I'd like to ask you. Why should you vote for Carissa Lim? Some of you perhaps don't even know me. You might be wondering what I am doing here, standing before you, campaigning to be your next PAC councillor as early as an incoming sophomore. Is she even ready to face all the challenges and responsibilities that come hand in hand with being a councillor? Lend me a minute or two to tell you about how much it means to me to be really involved in BAC. After a year working in BAC, I've grown to love council more than ever. Its group of people is truly inspiring and has pushed me to grow by way of handling projects such as the Staff and Faculty Tribute and the Alliance of Business Councils launch. And being the team leader of the BA Week Season 98 Gallery launch, my team and I, who handled the CBA shirt sale under BA line, witnessed the power of working together, earning much more than what was expected from the project. But more importantly, in a year working with BAC, I have grown to realize that this is undoubtedly the best way to serve and give back to the college. And this is something I'd willingly invest my time in for the rest of my college life, if of course given the opportunity to do so. So now, all I ask from you is a chance. A chance to prove to you that being just a freshman won't be a hindrance to what I can deliver to CBA next year. A chance to bring you the kind of service from BAC that you deserve. So to answer all the questions I posed earlier, I stand here before you, fully aware of all the challenges I have to overcome in the upcoming year, but still willing to go through all these for you, CBA, because you are worth it. I hope you can give me this chance to serve you again next year as your next BAC councillor. And vote Carissa Lim as your next BAC councillor. Dahil kay Isa, hindi ka mag-iisa. At kay Isa, ikaw ang mauuna. Thank you.